For a showcase game that the passionate crowd demands.
I'm Peter Drury, and it's a pleasure to be alongside Jim Beglin.
Thanks for that, Peter, and may I say a big hello to everyone.
Just miss it, we are up and running already.
Get out!
Truth.
That's a good...
Best equipped for this game.
Yeah, I think we can expect to see more than a few moments of...
Brahim Diaz. And here's Thuram. Played back.
Well, he just didn't have any support.
Joe Linton. Now it's João Pedro. And he plays one through. And the shots!
So we have our breakthrough.
Yeah, it's rare that one is enough, though, Peter. I get the feeling they'll be wanting another assist.
Cristiano Ronaldo! Ronaldo! Superb! Oh, it really is a finish of the highest order. And the lead lost no time.
The pass has gone astray. McAllister.
Ronaldo.
Well, here's a man adored by many, even deified by some.
Oh, Cristiano Ronaldo! Goal! Paris Saint-Germain! Cristiano Ronaldo.
Now it's Neymar.
Get out! Goes for a shot!
Now it's Brahim Diaz.
Neymar. Is there any Roberto Carlos goes short.
Hoisted in.
Is a formidable matchup. Great!
And it's McAllister. Ronaldo receives it in a good position here. McAllister.
Real chance!
Yes! Yes!
He's beaten
Yes!
the keeper,
Yes!
but hit the post.
No! No! No!
Through, so back it comes. Hakimi. Gabriel.
We are into overtime.
And lots of character